Y'all would not guess what I got in the mail today. I've been waiting on it. This is the Yule blow dryer. Oh my gosh. I got the white and gold one. Hang on. We're going to open it together. This has been all over my TikTok For You page, and I'm so excited about it. It's a high-speed blow dryer. And as y'all know, I started cosmetology school this week, so what better time to get a new blow dryer? She is gorgeous. Oh, she's also light. She's very light. Hang on, I'll plug it up. Oh, it comes with a cord wrap too. That's fun. Wait, hang on. Gotta unwrap the paper off of it. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed with these colors. She's gorgeous. She screams bougie. Hang on. Holy moly! That's so low! What? Let's see what high is like. Okay, there's high. Okay. That's a different heat setting. And it changes colors. Y'all. Are you kidding me? Ooh. Let's see. Turn it back to hot. So the different colors indicate the different heat. Okay, that's cool. And it goes back to warm. Okay, and then it goes back to cool. So this is auto. It goes from cool to hot, cool to hot. So, if you want it to stay hot, this is the auto where it changes the colors back and forth. And it's going cool to hot. And then this is just cool. And this is hot. This is insane. Again, this is just a low setting. And then we'll turn it on high. This is high. I'm going to link this down below for you guys because I'm already obsessed with this thing. You guys need to get you one too. Bye, y'all.